Alright.
I think this one's going to be oboe break.
Alright. Unless Ryan gets inspired on this one, it'll be a oboe break for him.
Try to spill everything. There you go.
So I thought I'd sing If J Harlen Had Had an Airplane one more time. If J Harlen had had an airplane, he'd have told you quite a tale. Floods that rake the landscape, mighty winds that wail, of erosion and destruction, the likes you've never seen. Oh, if he'd had an airplane, they wouldn't have been so mean. And he said there was a mighty flood, gave us the great scab lands, Washington, the great Northwest, south of old Spokane, and the gorge of the Columbia and Willamette Valley soil. And he said it all happened in a day or two, not 1,000 years of toil. And he's just a pipsqueak from Seattle, that's what the expert said. He's local like a tumbleweed, oh, what's going on in his head? He'll set us back 100 years, yeah, you know it's true. Oh, we've got to put an end to this, we've got to put down that fool. So they held a conference in the city with an invite to all their friends, every straw man and doubter from Chicago to Spokane. They let him tell his story, pretended to be kind. Then they closed their eyes and ears so as not to blow their mind. Yes, and ain't it true, what you believe is that which you will see. And ain't it true, if you close your mind, your eyes are blinded too. And ain't it true, J Harlen had no airplane view? Well, Montana, Lake Missoula held 10 times all the rivers flow, held back by a glacier many, many years ago. And 900 miles from the coast, pulled by gravity, oh, it must have made a mighty roar when it all rushed to the sea. And the story of this great flood is etched in sand and stone, across 500,000 miles square from Idaho to the ocean shore. It was a great debacle, just like J Harlen said, and everyone believed in him by the time that man was dead. Yes, and ain't it true, what you believe is that which you will see. And ain't it true, if you close your mind, then your eyes are blinded too. And ain't it true, J Harlen had no airplane view? But he stuck to his guns, he was vindicated after 40 years. 40 years and two. And ain't it true, what you believe is that which you will see. And ain't it true, if you close your mind, then your eyes are blinded too. And ain't it true, J Harlen had no airplane views. Thank you.